Hey y'all, I'm Alex Pino, and this is the Vandemic. That's the name of the company, and this is their Badlands Sprinter. It's on a 144 Sprinter chassis. Again, it's converted by this company called Vandemic. It was converted in 2021. The cost for this Overlander van is $150,000. It's located in Granville, Ohio. It's got the all-terrain BF Goodrich tires that are also desirable and also good looking and probably a little noisy on the highway, but that's okay. They're worth it. Going into the van, it's got everything you would really want or wish for in a van, including a luxurious shower. It's got sort of like this gold touch on all of the nozzles, on all the water features. Very nice Overlander van. This is the type of van that you can convince your wife to go van dwelling in, or convince your husband too. Hey, this area turns into a bed. It also easily converts to a dinette area. Getting serious. Your air conditioner is overhead. Doors open in the rear. Here's the control panel. The water pump, tank warmers, front and back lights, heat. There it is, freshly built in the shop. This one has the extenders on the windows, so you have that extra space when you're sleeping. Look at that farmhouse sink in the van. I love that. That's really nice. It's an actual usable size. And there it is as a bed, and then you can see what I'm talking about here in this picture with the space that allows from the windows. You can also see it on the exterior of the van. Now this is looking underneath the bed in the rear. These are the bump outs. That is like an extra feature, that gives you that extra space inside. So what do you think? Have a second look at it real quick. Is this a van that you can see yourself in, and would you pay $150,000 for it? Honestly, this is sold. It is sold. It's actually a good deal. That's what I was going to say, and that's probably why it's sold. There's a video here you can check out too where this will actually be explained. It's going to be much better than this video, because the guy who built it will basically explain all this stuff here. Yeah, most vans that you see like this, a comparable van like this, is near $200,000. It's usually like 180 around there, 189. I know because I've been looking, and it's ridiculous. The price of these vans is literally like the cost of a house in some places. But then again, this is like a rolling house. It's really nice. It's 4x4. It looks like it's built like a tank. Anyway, you can sell yourself on it if you want. I still haven't sold myself on one of these quite yet. But if you want to check out and learn more about this builder, if you want them to build you something like this for kind of like less than you would have to pay, for a traditional brand new Class B RV, you can check the links in the description. Go to this listing. If the listing's not there, you can check out their website. I have it all pulled up right here. It's vandemic.com, and they're also on Instagram at Vandemic Vans. So you can check that out. Thanks for watching.